My dear students, in this video, what we are going to do is, we simply would like to discuss only the synonyms and the antonyms of the first prose. Alright, let us discuss only the synonyms and antonyms. Let us see the meanings apart from the book back exercises. Let us see some more meanings of the words, and let us see how the exercises will be in our examinations. Is that alright? Good. My dear students, let us see the meanings. Wrinkled lines on the face and skin. Portrait, painting, a drawing, or the photograph, or you can say picture. Short type. Absurd, stupid, logical, or not clear. Crude, rough. Wrapped, it means covered. Pretty, beautiful, or attractive. Mantelpiece, place above the fireplace. Revolting, opposing. I repeat, revolting, opposing. Fables, stories. Cremated, burnt. Corpse, dead body. Corpse, dead body. Here, or is silent. Alright, my dear students, good. Students, let us see some more words and their meanings. Alright, good. Bent, not straight. Terribly, very much. Spotless, clean. Locks, hair. Pale, whitish. Constantly, regularly. Expanse, widespread, a large area. Contentment, satisfaction. Bothered, minded. Several, many. Rolled by, passed by. Snapped, broke or cut. Resignation, a calm acceptance. Reciting, saying. Veritable, real. Perked, sat. Cherished, enjoyed. Frivolous, playful. Sagging, hanging. Persuade, induce, force. Omitted, left out. Ignored, disregarded. Pallor, unhealthy, pale. Shroud, cloth to cover the dead body. Now, my dear students, I want you to come with me in our learning. Alright, let me read the left side, and remember, you will have to read the right part of it. Alright, shall we start? Good. Certain, yes, sure. Hobbled, yes. Stoop, yes. Bent. Scattered, spread everywhere, you are right. Puckered, wrinkled. Audible, good. Serenity, good. Calmness, yeah. Monotonous, yes. Boring. Stale, old and not fresh. Growling, barking, good. Distressed, yeah, you are right. seclusion, good. Rarely, relaxed, well done. Bedlam, noisy, confusion, good. Should, drove away. Clasped, yeah, embraced. Rebukes, good. Dilapidated, yeah, damaged. Mild, good. Protested, good. Suspect, customary, good. Mourning, feeling sad. You are right, my dear students. Good. My dear students, you have seen the glossary part of it. You learnt the lessons. I have given you the explanation. We have seen the additional words and its meanings. All those things we have discussed. Now, let me show you how the questions will be asked in your question paper. Alright, in the question paper you will be given 4 choices, and among the 4 you will have to choose the most appropriate synonym. Alright, good. Let us go for a practice. Choose the correct synonym for each of the following from the options given. This is the way the questions will be asked. For example, these are all examples or samples, models. 1. That seemed to be quite absurd and dignified. We have already seen absurd, meaning stupid or illogical. So the answer would be option A. Good. What is it? Absurd, stupid. In the same way, the second question, hobbled. 4 options have been given. Let us read the options, then find out the answer. Hobbled, walked straight, walked unsteadily, walked quickly, walked happily. Can you guess the meaning? Yeah, you are right. What is the option? Yes, you are right. What is the option? Option B. Walked unsteadily. Alright, good. In the same way, let us see the fourth exercise. An expanse of pure white serenity, breathing, peace and contentment. Now, what is that expanse? There it was given as widespread. Do we see widespread here? No. So, there may be some word almost the same. Limited, no chance. Shrunk, no chance. Taste, no chance. Vastness, vast, we know meaning vast, meaning it's a large area. So almost goes together. So expanse, option, the answer is vastness. Option C is the answer. Yes, my dear students. Students, let us go little faster. Alright. Monotonous, interesting, meaningful, pious, boring. What is the right answer? Yeah, you are right. Boring. Next, sixth one. The common link of the friendship was snapped. Option A. Strengthened, avoided, needed, broken. Yeah, your answer please. Good. Broken. Next one. My grandmother accepted her seclusion. Seclusion, readiness, isolation, involvement, need. Your answer please. Yeah, option B. Isolation. Bedlam. What is that? Bedlam, mistake, beginning, ending, confusion. What is that? Confusion. Alright? Good. Some came and pecked on her legs. What is that? Pecked on her leg. Ran, sat, gave, bit. Answer? Good. You are right. Sat. Option B. In the same way, rebukes. Options: praise, kindness, scolding, talking. Option C, namely scolding. Good, my dear student. My dear students, shall we discuss the next set of synonyms? Good. Uh, Dilapidated. Dilapidated, good, damaged, professional, big. What is the answer? Good. Damaged. Next, a peaceful pallor. What is that? Pallor, darkness, whiteness, happiness, sadness. What is your answer? Good. You are right. Option B, whiteness. 13th one, wrinkled. Options: spotted, crumbled, frittered, shortened. What would be the right answer? Good. You are right. Option D, shortened. Next, pretty. Options: pious, kind, humble, beautiful. Your answer, your guess? Yes, you are right. Option D, beautiful. 15th one, she hobbled out about the house in spotless white. What is that? Spotless white? Dirty, dull, bright, clean. What is your answer? Good, you are right. Clean. One hand resting on her waist to balance her stoop. What is the meaning of stoop? Walk, breath, bent, dress. The meaning here? Good. Have you guessed? You are right. Bent. Scattered. Given, tied, opened, spread. What is your answer? Yeah, good. Spread is the answer. Next, inaudible. Strong, meaningful, careful, noiseless. I repeat, inaudible. Strong, meaningful, careful, noiseless. Alright. What would be the appropriate one? Noiseless. Students, let us discuss the 18th question. Inaudible. Audible meaning hearable. Inaudible, unheard. Unable to hear. Alright. The lady recites an inaudible prayer, meaning a prayer is said but no noise. So that is why the answer or synonym would be noiseless. Alright, good. Next one, 19th one, contentment. Satisfaction, interaction, commitment, affection. What is your answer? Good. Satisfaction. Next, reciting prayer. What is that? Reciting, saying, preparing, writing, listening. Reciting, saying the prayer is the right answer. Alright, my dear students, have we discussed good enough in this set? Good. Shall we now discuss the next set of the question paper, my dear students? Good. Come. Unless you come with me, you will not learn, my dear students. See, I am teaching you as if you are in front of me. So, be a responsible student, only then the reasonable mark will be there for you in your public examination. Alright, good my dear students, come with me, come on. Short, what is that short? Type, small, short, rich. Anybody? Good. Answer is type. Revolting, what is that? Revolting. As for my grandmother, being young and pretty, the thought was almost revolting. Fighting, accepting, opposing, and reaching. Here it is opposing idea. Opposing. Certain. No, we were certain. What is the meaning of certain? Doubtful, hard, easy, sure. What is the answer? Good. Sure is the answer. Old. Now, fourth question. Terribly. Terribly. Option A. Very. Happily. Quickly. Slowly. Answer please. Yeah, you are right. Very. Her silver locks. What is that? Locks. Locks means cover, hair, dress, hand. Good. The answer is hair. Her silver locks were scattered entirely over her pale. What is that? Pale, bright, clean, whitish, colored. Option. Yeah, you are right. Answer whitish. Her lips constantly moved in inaudible prayer. What is that? Constantly. Let us see the options. Regularly, quietly, quickly, slowly. So the answer is good. Regularly. Serenity. What is the meaning of serenity? Let us see the options. Scenery, calmness, quickness, fast. Have you guessed the option? Yes, calmness. I loved her voice but never bothered to learn it. What is that? Bothered, asked, minded, went, pushed. Your answer? Minded. Yes, you are right, my dear students. After a breakfast of a thick stale chapati, we went to school. What is a stale? Fresh, many, little, old. So old chapatis. Old. Alright. Good. My dear students, in this set, I will read the questions and options alone. And you will have to find the answer. If you do not know, you can ask me or you can text me. Alright, my dear students. Good. Several, few, many, small, big. Found the answer? Good. Rolled by. Options. Passed by, stormed in, called on, broke into. Have you guessed? Good. Distressed, ready, understood, upset, asked. Good. You are right. Resignation, acceptance, attitude, smile, anger. Good. Rarely, often, never, sometimes, always. Yes. Relaxed. Options. Worked, rested, talked, listened. Good. Veritable, various, great, real, unreal. Good. Should, shot, looked at, carried, drove. Yes, you are right. Cherished, options, enjoyed, thought, noticed, pushed. Yeah, good. While she clasped, clasped me in her arms, clasped, clapped, touched, pushed, embraced. Have you found the answer? Good, my dear students. So this is the way we discuss the answers. Alright? Good. My dear students, in this set, we'll go to the next step. I will read only the questions. I will not even read the options. You will have to come out with the answers abrupt. Alright? Shall we start? Good. Frivolous, sagging, persuade, mild, omitted, protested, ignored, suspect, customary, crude. Good. Well done, well done. Now, my dear students, let us go for antonyms, or you call it opposite words. Alright? Come on. Wrinkled. What is the opposite? Smooth. Loose. Opposite. Tight. Short. Long. Bent. Straight. Spotless. Stained. Pale. Bright. Inaudible. Audible. Serenity. Agitation. Monotonous. Interesting. Sick. Thin. Distressed. Joyful. Snapped. Joined. Moist. Dry. Frivolous. Sensible. Dilapidated. Stable. Mild. Strong. Omitted. Included or added. Ignored. Accepted. Crude. Refined. Now what I will do is I will read only the left side of the column and you will have to answer the right side. Shall we start? Good. 3, 2, 1. Start. Hard. Absurd. Fat. Certain. Scattered. Constantly. Pure. Contentment. Tiny. Stale. Rarely. Cherished. Arrival. Rebuke. Persuade. Near. Protested. Customary. Good. My dear students, many a time the students are not very much aware when they answer the antonyms because they go for synonyms. Both the answers, antonyms as well as the synonym, may be given in the option. So we will have to be very clear about answering the antonyms. Alright, my dear students, good. I will read the question and remember to think in the opposite word. Think of the opposite word, never the meaning. Alright, good my dear students. Absurd, meaning not clear. Here opposite, ridiculous, silly, reasonable, strange. Reasonable is the answer. So there illogical is the meaning. Opposite, reasonable. Certain, sure, truly, doubtful, clear. Yes, doubtful is the answer. Constantly, unconstantly, inconstantly, disconstantly, misconstantly. Inconstantly is the answer. Serenity, agitation, calmness, stillness, disturbed, agitation. Monotonous, meaning boring. Opposite, let us see. Boring, dull, tedious, interesting. So interesting is the answer. Distressed, meaning being upset. Opposite, dejected, frustrated, dismayed, joyful. Yes, joyful is the answer. Cherished, meaning enjoyed. Opposite, let us see. Hated, enjoyed, tried, took. Hated. Frivolous, playful is the answer, meaning. And opposite, sensible, playful, laughing, wonderful. Sensible is the answer. Persuade, meaning force. Opposite, let us see. Dissuade, invade, assure, compel. Dissuade is the answer. Customary, normal, requested, abnormal, unaccounted. Customary, normal, requested, abnormal, unaccounted. Abnormal is the answer. Customary meaning usual, normal. Opposite, abnormal. Alright? Good, my dear students. Students, are you ready to discuss the next set? Good. Come with me. Wrinkled, crushed, crumbled, straight, bent. Yeah, you are right. Hard, easy, soft, difficult, accepted. Good. Loose, free, movable, tight, decent. Yes. Short, small, huge, big, tall. My dear students, I remind you to think in the opposite. Alright? Let us think of the opposite of the word that we are, of the word. Fat, thin, thick, familiar, known. Bent, folded, straight, crooked, beautiful. Spotless, clean, neat, dotted, dirty. Good. Scattered, think in the opposite, my dear students. Spread, sprinkled, gathered, dispersed. Good. Pale, bright, dull, light, soft. Good. Inaudible, quiet, noisy, silent, knowingly. Good. You are right, my dear student. My dear students, in the next set, I will not even read the options. You will have to find the answers abrupt. Alright, good. The answers should come very spontaneously as you see the options. Pure, good. Contentment, good. Tiny, good. Thick, yeah. Stale, good. Snapped, good. Rarely, good. Moist, good. Arrival, good. Rebukes, yeah, you are right. Dilapidated, mild, omitted, protested, ignored, crude. Well done, my dear students, my dear loving students. I would like to compare you to a man who did not take his food on Monday, he did not take food on Tuesday, he did not take food on Wednesday, not Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. All these 6 days, that particular man did not take food. Imagine the next day, that is Sunday, he sits and starts eating his food. Do you think he can eat all the food that has been missed out the whole week? Do you think is it possible? It is not possible, my dear students. So almost you are like the same man. See, in the month of May, we have not taken special classes. In the month of June, we didn't take class. In the month of July, no class. August, no class. September, no idea. So the days are going like this. So at one day, simply they would announce saying that there is a public examination and you will have to prepare yourself in 2 months or 3 months. Is it possible to prepare the whole syllabus in 3 months? It is not possible, my dear students. That is why try to be a responsible student. Day by, be a responsible student. Put your effort to study. All right, good.